Why would you want to go to York University in Canada or Harvard University in the United States to learn Jamaican patois when you can learn it right here? Just subscribe to my channel where every week I do a commentary in patois. Then I give you an overview with English. Follow me with my book called Talk Jamaican, which is available on Amazon.com. And soon you will be able to chat like a me. Have a wonderful day. Big up Rihanna, me say. Hey, that girl they accomplished no for a young picnic, you know. And me rate the Prime Minister of Barbados to go make her national hero. Because not only she bright and she turn her hand make fashion and make whole heap of thing where woman love. But she kind of say she are down in Malawi in Africa, a Bill hospital. Yeah man, Rihanna national hero and Barbados and them right for praise her up and make her the national hero. Hey, me rate that woman them here Matley, you know, she are the Prime Minister of Barbados. You know, say the Prime Minister and the President in Barbados a woman. Yeah man, I know them a woman national hero. No joke with them. Me and Matley, she believe action, not a bag of mouth for a politician, them a bag of mouth. Them a chat about get rid of Britain now for what, 30, 40 years and can't do it. Matley just come in 2, 3 years ago and she said, listen now, them people they did have we as slave, they have we, they rule over we as colonial power and exploit we. You ever hear about all the Windrush? People ain't gonna go fight war for them and then deport them now and deport all them grand picnic. Nah, man, England no treat her right, and me nah nothing against the Queen, she alright. But she 95, and guess what? You know who I got on king of Jamaica? You can't believe it, Jamaica a king. Why we can't have local people do turn for a president like sensible people? And the boy Charles, he treat Diana so bad it kill the poor girl. And the one named William, him then say, when him a chat to him brother Harry and I worry say the boy Harry a go have black picnic. So what if Harry they have black picnic? Them out and face and fast and all the one Andrew the Queen's son, him a pedophile. So we don't want to mix up with them people still. We know turn progressive now. Listen man, me say me big up the people of Barbados, me big up the Prime Minister of Barbados, me big up Rihanna, that's what me say. In the previous section, I was commenting on the move by Barbados to remove the British monarchy as their head of state. Because the Caribbean under Britain, we were their slaves. Then they stayed on and became our colonial masters. And even recently, with the Windrush scandal in Britain, this concerns Caribbean people who fought on Britain's side in the war, and yet at this stage they are trying to deport them and their descendants. So we owe Britain nothing. They have not treated us well. And although the Queen has been okay, she has not really interfered in our affairs. She's 95 and she will soon be moving on. And guess what? It's that horrible fellow, Charles, who treated his wife so badly that it led to her early death. Or his son, the one named William, who it is said expressed concern that Harry may have a black child. He's a racist. They're all racist. The British monarchy has not helped us to gain any national pride. And I salute Mia Mottley for being a woman of action, because she has only been in power 2-3 years, and she said, you know, we're removing the monarchy. We need our own president. We need a local person as head of our country. On the other hand, in Jamaica, they have been talking about it for 30, 40 years. And the two stupid political parties that we have all said they want to get rid of the monarchy. But guess what? They are just what we call in Jamaica a bag of mouth. They take no action. They talk a lot. And I also salute Mia Mottley, Prime Minister of Barbados, for having made Rihanna a national hero. Rihanna is a very outstanding young lady, talented entertainer, but apart from that, she has used her knowledge
and education to set up an empire to make products to help women feel better about themselves. And to top it all, she is a fantastic philanthropist because even now she is assisting to build a hospital in Malawi, in Africa. So she has made Barbados extremely proud. I am proud of her because she is a great influence to the young women of this world. Have a great day.
Long time, girl, me never see ya. Come make me hold your hand. It is a long time, girl, me never see ya. Come make me hold your hand. Feel like jump, sit down for 3 times because